Hi, I'm Carol Adams, and I'm going to walk you through installing your CaseCatalyst software. Now, in your CaseCatalyst packet, you should have a CD that has the program on it, and you should also have a key. And I have plugged my key already into my USB port, and I've got my CaseCatalyst disk in the disk drive, and I turned on my computer. So the first screen that I get, it says, "Welcome to the Found New Hardware Wizard." And this is actually where you're going to install your key. So it says, "Can Windows connect to Windows Update to search for software?" You want to click "No, not this time." So click that and click Next. And then it says, "If your hardware came with an installation CD or floppy disk, insert it now." Well, we've already done that. So the option that's already clicked is install the software automatically, and you want to just click Next because that one should already be that one is the default. So click Next, and it says USB host for 1-wire microlon. That's what mine says. And you can tell that it's searching for the drivers for your key, and then it'll install the drivers for your key. And this takes just a second, and then it should say the wizard has finished installing the software for the USB host, and that's your key. So you want to click Finish. And so your key is now installed. Without the key and the drivers installed, CaseCatalyst will not run. So now we want to actually install the CaseCatalyst software. Also, after you've gotten that key installed, you might have a little box that shows up at the bottom that says Found New Hardware. That's just where your computer is actually recognizing that your key's there. So if CaseCatalyst doesn't automatically start to run when you turned your computer on, you may need to go down to Start and then Run, and there's a little box there that comes up. It says Run and it says Open, and my CD-ROM drive is F. It may be different on your computer, it may be D on your computer, but you need to find which drive that CD is in, and you want to make sure that it has the drive number, D, F, whatever, :/setup, setup.exe, and then click OK. And then your CaseCatalyst wizard will start the installing process. It might take a few minutes to get it started. Okay, your first screen should say "Welcome to the CaseCatalyst Setup Wizard," and it just tells you, it gives you some advice on the installation. You just want to click Next here. Then your software license is up next. You want to make sure you read that. After you do, click Yes, you agree. And then it talks about the security device. Security device is your key, and it basically tells you that you have to have that key to operate the software. And we've already installed our key, so we're ready to go. We can just click Next. And then it asks you what type of setup you want to install. We want to do the comprehensive, and it is already clicked because it's the default. So click Next there. And then it's asking you the destination folder. You want your destination folder to be the C drive, and this program will be called Cat4 on your C drive. So just click Next on that screen. And then it's got the user root, that is your drive. And then on the second box there, it says username. This is where you want to type in your username. Click Next. And then it tells you it's going to put shortcuts on your desktop for CaseCatalyst and also the CaseCatalyst CBT. CBT stands for computer-based training. It's like a tutorial, and yes, you want that. So click Install, and it will take a few minutes for CaseCatalyst to download. After the installation is complete, it asks you, do you want to reboot now or manually reboot later? If you go ahead and reboot now, just click Finish, and your computer will go off and come back on. When it does, you will see two new icons on your desktop, one that says CaseCatalyst 4, one that says CaseCatalyst CBT. Again, that's that tutorial. To actually do the CaseCatalyst functions, you need to click on the one that just says CaseCatalyst 4. When you double click on the CaseCatalyst 4 icon, the name that you put in during the installation process will automatically show up. You can click into your username and you're ready to go.